MB here at the OFAH Heritage Center. I'm standing in front of our Arctic exhibit because today's lesson is all about Arctic herbivores. First of all, what is a herbivore? Any guesses? A herbivore is an animal that is specially adapted to consume only plants. So, their teeth and their digestive tract are specialized to help them extract the nutrients from plants. So, their teeth are normally flat to help them grind down the plant matter they consume. And their stomachs contain a bacteria that helps to break down the cellulose, which is the main component of the plant cell wall. In the Arctic, not only do the animals have to survive harsh conditions, but the plant life does too. Herbivores with ruminant stomachs are capable of breaking down plant matter through fermentation. There are 4 chambers that comprise the stomach, and each chamber plays a specialized role in digestion. The first Arctic herbivore we'll take a closer look at is the muskox. And its name has to do with the scent or smell that come from the male muskox during the mating season or the rut. The smell is a pheromone, which is a way of communicating through scent that many animals use. There are a few main differences between male muskox, known as bulls, and female muskox, known as cow. One of them being their sheer size. A female muskox, a cow, like the one standing beside me, can weigh up to 200 kilograms. Males, however, are much larger and can weigh up to 300 kilograms, which is about as big as a large vending machine. The horns on a female muskox, or a cow, are separated by a small patch of hair and are generally smaller in size. The horns on a male muskox are much larger, and they are connected in between by a bone mass called the boss. The inner structure of the horns is comprised of bone, and the outer structure is made of keratin, which is the same material that our fingernails and our hair is made of. The next Arctic herbivore we'll take a closer look at is the caribou. And behind me is a subspecies known as a pericaribou. When talking about members of the deer family, it's only the males that have antlers. So, for those of you watching at home or at school, if you are a male, please put your antlers up, nice and high. But when it comes to caribou, both the male and the female have antlers. So if you're a female watching, put your antlers up too. Biologists suggest that the female caribou have antlers as well to protect their feeding grounds, and they'll retain their antlers until after their calf is born in the spring. Caribou are an important species to the Inuit and Aboriginal people. The Mi'kmaq term for caribou is Caribou, which means the one who paws, referring to the way that caribou will paw through ice and snow to reach the moss and lichens on which they feed. Alright, so let's take a moment to imagine something. Imagine through the winter months, through the ice and the snow, you walked around with a shovel attached to your head. Well, this is essentially what caribou are equipped with. Taking a closer look at their antlers, they have this main branch here, and off that main branch you have tines. Up front there are two smaller tines, one of which is palmate, which means it's shaped like the palm of your hand. Go ahead, take a moment, look at the shape of your palm. That's exactly what this brow tine is shaped like. They'll use this brow tine to scrape away the ice and the snow to access the moss, the lichen, and the plants on which they feed. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and comment below to let us know what topics you're interested in learning about. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay connected as we learn together outside the classroom.